All right, guys. Here is this vintage old American elevator. This thing is finally working. This thing is finally working. Last time I came here it was broken, but thank God it is working today. Wow. B is locked, so we're not going to go down there. Let's go to 5. I love the relays. Love the relays. This is so worth checking out. Door close button does not work, but when you press the floor and then hit door close, it'll work. Anyways, let's get a look at these fixtures. Look at this thing. American elevator. This is actually my very first time I've ever seen American elevator original. But if it were to receive a slap-on mod, considering still original American, I guess that at least counts, maybe? Well, considering the ride quality of it, that is. But anyways, this is a completely original American elevator, which this has got to be for America's 250th birthday on the 4th of July. This thing is amazing. All right, get a listen to this motor. Here we go. Beautiful. I love the relay. Listen to the relay. I don't think these buttons press. The down button seems like it's completely pushed in there, but the up button still presses. American elevator. This is an American elevator. You know what? I think I'll go for one more ride and then that's gonna be it. The door close button does not work, but when you press a floor button and then door close, it works, which is quite interesting. If I wish to share this video for a 4th of July special, considering it is America's 250th birthday. All right, let's go back down to 1 and we'll end there. This thing is amazing. I love this old piece of beauty. I'm so glad that this elevator is finally working. I mean, it was broken like last year when I tried filming it. B is locked. I tried it off camera, it doesn't go down, so Anyways, that phone is added on there. This thing is so worth checking out. Anyways, watch it close. Right, there it goes. And that's it.